Well, we're going to show you this very nicely decorated Imari-esque, isn't it? Style cake serving plate. Could have maybe been designed as a tureen stand or a serving stand of some description or saucer plate. I just say that because the central well here with the lineage around it, quite often these had a dual function when they were made. They would have had a round saucier or sauce pot that would have sat in that well, but they were also used as serving or cake or sandwich plates, which is what this one has now become, through separation from if that was sold originally with a saucier. Anyway, I divulge. It's in lovely condition, good retention of the gilt around the centre, lovely glaze condition with bright reflection, as you can see, good hand applied colour and decoration here with the greens, the oranges, the blacks, almost cobalt bluey blacks, and then the gilt applied all the way around. Really nice bright thing. There's some moulding detail in here as well. Doesn't really follow the design, as is quite often the case, but you can just feel that, and it just adds to the general lovely feel of this plate. Let's have a look at the rear. We've got a crown, WB and Royal, giving you the identification of this piece quite nicely. And we have got some trios, I think, milk jugs and sugar basins and a few other pieces in this design that are going online currently. So do keep an eye out for those and have a look on the website. We will pop a description link below taking you through to the website listing. There's two of these available for sale. They're going to be sold individually. I'm sure they're going to be picked up by somebody looking for a really nice period or late Victorian style Imari tea set, and they are very nice indeed. Thanks for watching.